the fragile peace efforts between the United States and Iran appear to have collapsed. President Donald Trump has declared that the interim peace agreement with Iran is over, a statement that immediately rattled global financial markets and pushed oil prices sharply higher. So what happened, and why are economists warning about the potential impact? Let's break it down. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today's top story focuses on rising tensions in the Middle East after President Donald Trump announced that the interim agreement between the US and Iran had effectively ended. The announcement comes after renewed military exchanges and failed diplomatic talks, raising fresh concerns about regional stability and the global economy. Speaking ahead of the NATO summit, President Trump said the agreement with Iran was over and indicated that he no longer believed further negotiations would be productive. The interim deal had been designed to support a temporary ceasefire while both sides worked toward a broader long-term agreement. However, recent indirect talks reportedly failed to produce meaningful progress, and tensions increased after new attacks involving commercial shipping in the Strait of Hormuz and subsequent US military strikes. Financial markets reacted quickly. Oil prices climbed by around 5 to 6% as investors worried about possible disruptions to energy supplies from the Middle East. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most important oil shipping routes, so any instability there can influence global energy prices. Analysts also noted declines in stock markets, rising bond yields, and renewed concerns that higher energy costs could contribute to inflation. If oil prices remain elevated, consumers and businesses around the world could face increased fuel and transportation costs. The breakdown of diplomacy doesn't only affect the United States and Iran. Global markets closely monitor developments in the Middle East because the region plays a major role in worldwide energy production. Any prolonged disruption could impact fuel prices, shipping costs, and broader economic growth. Some financial experts believe the situation could remain volatile until there is greater clarity about whether diplomatic talks can resume or whether tensions continue to escalate. At this stage, the future remains uncertain. Officials have not announced a new timetable for negotiations, and international observers are watching closely for any signs of renewed diplomatic engagement or further military developments. Markets are also expected to remain sensitive to new updates from the region in the coming days. That's the latest on this developing story. Do you think diplomacy can be revived, or will tensions continue to affect the global economy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking international news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next report.